Hi everyone, this is Kim from Earn Greater Profits, and I'm following up with my previous video about creating products. And in this video, we're going to be talking about classes and workshops. This could also be yoga classes, any type of class where you have set aside a date, a time, a place that you want a group of people to sign up for, and allow them to check out and get on your calendar, or just somehow pay you ahead of time for this group activity. So before I get into creating a product for this, I'm going to tell you why using the calendar at this point in time is not such a great idea. So the calendar is great if you allow the person to, you have multiple spots, they can choose the spot, they can even pay for their one-on-one or a group with you. But when it comes to, like, say you have one class or two classes or even one class a week that you're offering, and each class is different and you want them to pick and choose what class they want to go with, using the calendar as it is in Go High Level right now is not the perfect setup. And hopefully they'll update the calendar to allow for better class booking than what it currently allows, because right now with the calendar you would have to set aside, so I've set aside October 7th at 10 a.m. for a class, but I've had to block out absolutely everything else. So I would have to have my own class calendar for that particular class. So you're ending up having multiple classes because it's hard to distinguish when the classes are unless you want to outline them off to the left, which times those classes are. But the amount of clicks it takes, you choose the date you want, you choose the time you want, but really in this example, there's only one choice. We're only doing one class for this month. And so, we're having to physically click on things that are really not needed. And then you go and fill out your information for your class form. If you've got your Stripe account and your payment set up, that would show up under here. And then it says book appointment. You can change that. It takes some code to change that from book appointment to book class or book party, or whatever it is that you're booking rather than appointment. So I've just found that it's easier to go with creating a product than to use the booking calendar for one-off, two-off classes. So let's go back here to our cupcake funnel that we used in our last video, and we're going to create some products, some additional products for our classes. And so I'm going to do cupcake classes, and let's do Saturday for this one. And I created another product already called Cupcake Class Friday. So in case you have one on Friday, one on Saturday, you've got to have two different products for it. Let's say this is $70 here. Okay, awesome. And then we're also going to create an add-on for take-home cupcake kit. Okay, so we're going to let them have their choice of whether they want to take something home with them to work on later after they learn everything they need to know in the class. Let's say that's $25. Okay, so I have my cupcake class Friday, class Saturday, and then an optional kit. So let's go over to our cupcake class page. Then we're going to go over here to products, and we're going to add our products that we've made. So let's go with cupcake class Friday. We've only got one price for that. And let's allow them to add additional people if they want to bring their friends. That way they don't have to check out a million times if they want to bring several friends with them. So we'll go there. And then we'll do the add-on product, which is our take-home cupcake kit. And we'll allow them to ask for as many as they have people coming with them. All right, so we've got that taken care of. Now let's come over here and reload our page. So here's our cupcake decorating class page. And before I fill out my information, I just want to mention a couple things here. So at this moment in time, the order form does not allow for a limitation of the number of people that order. So, you know, if you're selling an ebook or a membership course, you want as many people to buy as will. And so you don't want to limit it. But so there's just not any way right now to limit the number of people signing up for this class. And so up here I've put there's only 10 spots left for this class. This is actually a math equation that I saw on YouTube from a gentleman, and right at the moment I don't remember his name, but he shows how to do this, and maybe I'll do it in another video. The premise is that you put in the amount of your maximum number of slots you have, and then the math equation, every time somebody purchases, you use a workflow to subtract one off of the math equation and then go back and change your values, your custom values to, instead of 9, then it changes it to 8 and then to 7 and shows up as it counts down for the number of people that order. I haven't tested it thoroughly yet, but it looks very promising until this order form can be, you know, until you can have a max number of people, which should be coming soon. So I'm just gonna put in my information here, and it's not letting me put in random numbers. So here we go. So the person that wants the class can choose whether they want to come on Friday, whether they want to come on Saturday, and whether they want to take home a cupcake kit with them. Some additional things to talk about with this that we've noticed is that when the class is full, then you can just delete the order form off this page. And I've got a form down here that I'm going to replace that says, hey, this class is full. If we have a cancellation, we'll contact you in the order of the wait list, so they can put themselves on this wait list. So if somebody cancels from this class, then I've got a workflow that's set up to add this person. It adds a tag that says waitlist tag, and then I've added a custom field that says waitlist on it, and then I've added a workflow to add a date to the notes section of their contact information so that I can do a smart list and show everybody on the wait list for this class and the date they signed up for the wait list. And so that'll run pretty smoothly when these classes are full. Also, if the person wants to buy or register for somebody else as a gift, so they can register for as many people as they want here. And that's the shortcoming of the appointment scheduler as well. You don't have the option to be able to add additional people to your appointment schedule. You can in one type, the class booking, but the other type, which actually worked better, did not allow for a quantity yet. But if you want to do it, like say you want to buy this class as a gift certificate or buy a gift on behalf of somebody else and make it a surprise, then I've got a form down here that says, hey, share the love, buy a gift certificate for a friend or relative. And so they fill out this information, they put quantity 2 for them coming as well as their friend. And then after they check out, then they just fill out this gift certificate recipient, and they put their friend's first name, last name, their friend's email, and then their name and phone number, and then a gift message, and submit that gift certificate information. The way I have it set up is that it creates that friend as a contact in our back office, and then it will automatically send them an email saying, congratulations, so-and-so has purchased a gift certificate for you for this class, and explains the class and gives them all the information they need for the class that they've been gifted. That also puts them in our contacts as an interested lead. However, because this is filled out by somebody else, we really don't have permission to text them, to be in any of our opt-in emails, because they didn't opt in themselves. Somebody else opted in. So make sure that if you choose to do it this way, you're not opting them into emails they haven't given permission for. You're just sending them an email with just the class information and the class reminders. So those are some of the fun things we've added to our classes. And I think there was a couple more things that I wanted to mention. Oh, how to create coupons for your classes or for your product. So let's go on over to sites here. And my computer's running slow. Let me see if I'm already in somewhere. Here we go. So let's go over to coupons. Create a coupon. And let's say give a discount for a class that we're going to be doing. So class discount, and let's just call it class. And we're just going to give $10 off if they're an early bird. If they order earlier than say, or if they order between now and say the 4th, since my demo class is on the 7th. You can limit the total number of times the coupon can be redeemed. You can also limit the selected products on which the coupon can be applied. And so we're going to limit this to the cupcake class on Saturday. Let's just say that Friday's booked solid, but Saturday morning's class still has 3 or 4 slots left. We want to get it filled. We could shoot coupon code to the people on our list and just say, hey, we've only got a couple spots left, use this coupon code, be the first 3 people and get $10 off your class. So we can create that. Now that we have a coupon code that's activated for that particular class, then we can go on over, let's just reload. You'll notice in our order form here, there's no place to put a coupon. And the reason is because there was no coupon created and attached to this order form. So let's reload the page and go back here. Now you'll see that there's a coupon code. And what did we name it? We named it class. You'll notice that this coupon code is not applicable on the selected product. It's because we have Friday selected. So if we select Saturday, try it again. There we go. So it's only for that particular product for the Saturday class. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video about products and using them for your classes. And if you have any questions, post them below. Thanks so much.